From control to challenge. In the previous video, we learned how cancer begins. However, this is only the first step. The harder question is this: if we understand cancer so well, why is it still so difficult to cure? To answer that, we must look deeper, not just at cancer cells, but at how they survive, adapt, and resist. Cancer is not one disease. Cancer is often spoken of as a single enemy, but cancer is not one disease. Breast cancer is different from lung cancer. Leukemia is different from melanoma. Even tumors in the same organ can behave completely differently. Each cancer arises from different mutations, different tissues, and different environments. There is no universal cancer cell. This diversity alone makes a single cure impossible. Tumor heterogeneity. Many cancers in one. Even within a single tumor, not all cancer cells are the same. As cancer cells divide, they accumulate new mutations. Some grow faster, some grow slower, some resist stress, some resist treatment. A tumor is not a uniform mass. It is a population, more like an ecosystem than a single disease. When therapy kills one group of cells, others may survive, and those survivors grow back. Evolution under treatment. Cancer does not just evolve randomly. Treatment itself becomes a force of selection. Chemotherapy kills sensitive cells. Radiation damages vulnerable cells. Targeted drugs block specific pathways. But any cell with a mutation that allows survival will be selected. Treatment removes competition. The most resistant cells remain. Cancer evolves under pressure, just like bacteria under antibiotics. This is one reason relapse occurs. Cancer hides within the body. Unlike infections, cancer is made of your own cells. They share your DNA. They use your blood supply. They speak the same molecular language. This makes them difficult to target. The immune system struggles to recognize cancer as dangerous. Treatments must walk a narrow line, killing cancer without destroying healthy tissue. There is no clean separation between self and disease. The problem of location and access. Cancer cells do not stay in one place. They invade tissues. They enter blood vessels. They spread to distant organs. Some hide deep within tissues where drugs struggle to reach. Others exist in low oxygen environments where therapies are less effective. Even the best drug cannot work if it cannot reach its target. Location matters. The tumor microenvironment. Cancer cells do not act alone. They reshape their surroundings. They recruit blood vessels. They manipulate immune cells. They alter the chemical environment. This surrounding ecosystem, called the tumor microenvironment, protects the cancer. Signals from nearby cells can help tumors survive therapy. Treating cancer means treating an entire system, not just malignant cells. Cancer stem cells and dormancy. Some cancer cells divide rapidly. Others remain quiet. These dormant cells divide slowly, or not at all. Because many therapies target dividing cells, dormant cells can survive treatment. Later, sometimes years later, they can reactivate. This is one reason cancer can return long after apparent cure. Silence can be a survival strategy. Targeted therapies. Precision with limits. Modern cancer treatments are becoming more precise. Drugs can target specific mutations, specific signaling pathways, specific cancer types. This has saved many lives, but precision has limits. Cancer cells can bypass blocked pathways. They can activate alternatives. They can change identity. Blocking one route does not stop all roads. Immunotherapy, awakening defenses. One of the most powerful advances has been immunotherapy. Instead of attacking cancer directly, these therapies activate the immune system. They remove molecular brakes that prevent immune cells from acting. In some patients, this leads to dramatic responses. But not all tumors respond. Some cancers suppress immunity. Others hide effectively. The immune system is powerful, but not omnipotent. Why cure is hard, but progress is real. Cancer is hard to cure because it is adaptive, diverse, and deeply integrated into the body. It evolves, it hides, it resists. But understanding these challenges has transformed treatment. Many cancers are now manageable. Some are curable. Others are becoming chronic diseases. Progress is real, but complexity remains. The deeper lesson. Cancer teaches us something fundamental. Life is not fragile because it is weak. It is fragile because it is complex. The same systems that allow growth, repair, and specialization also allow failure. Cancer is not an accident. It is a consequence of regulation. By understanding cancer, we learn not just how disease works, but how life works. Control, complexity, and hope. The story of cancer is the story of control. How cells listen, how they stop, how they cooperate, and what happens when that control breaks. Understanding why cancer is hard to cure does not lead to despair. It leads to better questions. Better strategies, better treatments. This is not just the biology of disease. It is the biology of complexity. And understanding complexity is how progress begins. Please don't forget to subscribe and to leave your suggestion for the next video in the comments section. Thank you very much.